皆さんこんにちは、ゴーライドのタカです。今日も、楽しんでライドしてますでしょうか。今日はですね、第4木曜日なので、ニューポートビーチドカティでですね、いつもの通り毎月行われているバイクナイトの、日です。木曜日夜、6時半から、だいたい8時半ぐらいまでなんですけども、今日はですね、そのバイクナイトにまた参加してみようと思ってます。なんかドカティの、そうですね、ニューポートビーチドカティから、メールが入ってたんですけども、なんか新しい、バイクを紹介したいということなので、ちょっと期待できるかなと思ってます。どんなバイクが登場してくるかですね、ちょっと楽しみなんですけども、行ってみたいと思います。それでは皆さん後ほど。そろそろ到着ですね。これドカティに行ったりはずですね。もうすぐ着きますね。そろそろ到着です。多分バイクナイト行かれる方だと思うんですけど、スーパースポーツの白ですね。何台か来てますね、今日は。
Buy yours too early. Look what they got in the crate. Huh? Oh, he's down.
916?
No, the V4. The Bautista.
Oh,
the
yeah.
SDK version.
Really? Oh. Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah, it's like 60-something.
Yeah, those are like
and then they make a sticker. They make the decal of the super.
Yeah, those are like Champions Africa, right?
Yeah.
I know.
There's
the two
one for the
versions.
MotoGP and one for the.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, there's like two versions. Comes with. Yeah, those are like 65, 60, 67, something like that. Yeah.
I like your SP.
Thank you.
It sounded great. You had the Acro on there, right?
Yeah.
They don't make that system anymore. I got the R, and they don't make that system for the R.
Oh yeah.
They make
they already up like yeah.
Yeah, I was jealous because I don't like the new system they made. Like,
Really?
yeah,
Those are nice too.
it looks nice. No, it sounds nice, but the look, I like that look better.
Oh.
Yeah, that look and the sound. It's louder. That's louder than the new one. Yeah.
Only the slip-on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had the SC project on my own. Street Fighter, but I'm not gonna put that on the R. The R gets all the nice accessories.
Your R is the new one. Right?
Yeah.
You're gonna go with Undertale? Or?
Yeah, I'm getting the full Undertale back. It's just $11,000 installed.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So, but you lose like 40 pounds or something.
Yeah.
You lose a lot of weight. Yeah, and then I have a bunch of. I ordered like the whole catalog from Motor4 stuff, all the CNC stuff. That's good.
Yeah, before it's already right.
Yeah. How do you like the dry clutch? It's rough, right? It's not as nice as the wet clutch on cruisy.
Yeah, compared to wet one, this is more rough.
Yeah.
It is.
I mean, it works great when you're on it.
Yes.
When you're doing fast shifts, it's fantastic. But cruising, okay, cool. I'm not the only one. Because I like, riding PCH on the R sucks. Absolutely sucks.
Yeah, you get to canyon ride.
Yeah, you go on the
Yeah.
canyon. Oh, that guy lost his wing on his R.
It's on sale. I put the price tag.
Oh shit! Another bad decision. Oh no, it's his name tag. I think.
What's the name tag on it?
Yeah, name tag.
Oh, for the repair.
Piano.
Yeah, I know this.
See, I want this. This is the 1260 Pikes Peak, I think. This is sick. 1200S. Who's this for? You got other bikes at home?
No.
Amazing.
I've been thinking something
Yeah.
more comfortable. For every day.
Hypermotard or multi-strut?
Yeah,
That's literally what I'm thinking. But see, the new multi-strutters are too big.
Oh,
I
yeah,
like
the
these.
new one is really big. I
Yeah,
know
these
that.
are nice. This is a nice size. Nah, I love these bikes. How do you keep it so clean? You know,
I mean-
how do you keep it so clean?
Yeah, I think them last March and yep. I clean once a week. I don't ride rain.
No
I
rain.
ride weekend, Saturday. Sometimes I skip once a month.
Yeah, no, I love the color scheme on the SB. It's absolutely stunning. Dang, the 23 got the nice facelift. I like that a little bit. No, I like the decals. I like what they did because my buddy has the same bike, but 22, and I'm just noticing the difference. I'm like, and your paint's in way better condition than my friends. Is this who made
Full six.
Oh, full six, yes.
He just came out with it. Too,
Yeah.
so-
See, this is nice that they finally put this on.
Yeah.
Because before you had to take out the whole crate
Yeah.
cover to do the.
So I just powder color is black to the exhaust to match the grill.
And then you get an SC on there. This thing will be doing wheelies in fourth gear. My thing does wheelies in fourth gear.
Yeah, I want to keep it black, so I'm going with the trim.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm black. My muffler is black. Just a
It's
little
the
bit.
pipes,
Yeah, it's
Because I like how clean the dual terming is.
Yeah, it's super clean.
All
Yeah.
all the other pipes are it is good.
Would you nice? The whole.
These are